Bitcoin is gearing up for a massive move here in the next coming hours. Yes, you heard it right. Only a couple of hours we're away from a massive move for Bitcoin. And I believe I know in which direction we are going when I look here at the charts, and there has a lot changed between yesterday and today, and that's why we need to talk about this. And if you think that is interesting, then definitely stick around here. Make sure that you're subscribed to our channel, you like this video, and also activate the bell so that you will never miss out on these important updates. And also a big welcome to all the new people that subscribed yesterday. Thank you so much for that. And now let's jump directly into it. So here on the 4-hourly chart, I have to point out that here not really a lot has changed. So we kind of sideways moved out of that potential bull flag that we had here. But a level that we have to keep a close eye on is the $29,700 level-ish all the way up here. And we could get a potential test of that level by tonight, actually. So, and I'm gonna show you in a second why I believe that we could see a move to that level tonight. When I go here to the 1-hourly chart, you can see right now that the price action is held under the point of control on the VPVR here on that volume cluster that is coming in from 29,380 all the way up to, let's say, 29,465. That's kind of the range that we are in right now. So, but we get held down at the point of control at $29,400. So we are here in a $20 spread right now. Yeah, and held under it. And we came out of here that falling wedge. And I believe that today, especially tonight when the market in the US is opening, that we're gonna see a move above that level, and that will then immediately lead to another pump all the way up to the next bigger cluster that we have to have a look at, and that is all the way up here, coming in from $29,700 all the way up to $29,830. So once we have cleared that section here and go up to 29,700, we might only find resistance at $29,800, $900 in that kind of range. So, and if you want to trade this, you can obviously do that. And how I would going to play that, let me see, where is here? I would wait for break above $29,400, and then my stop loss would be put here at 29,315 approximately. And you see already here my take profit would be at $29,800. So that is almost a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. That is a trade worth taking, in my opinion. So you can make here 1.22%. If you trade this with 25x leverage or even 30x leverage, that's then between 27 and 32% that you can make here on the upside. And to the downside, you're risking 12 to 14% if the trade goes against you. So which for now, I highly doubt if we get above that level, then above 29,450, then we definitely also move way higher. And guys, don't forget, if you want to trade, then do this on a BYBIT. The competition, the trading competition is still going on. You can still join the competition to win here with me together a part of an $8 million prize pool. The only thing that you have to do is to sign up here with that specific link on a BYBIT and join the squad AMC winners. Just join the squad after you have signed up, and then you stand a chance to get a piece of the $8 million prize pool. And of course, if you deposit enough money, you also still get $30,000 in free bonuses on top of that. Let me show you why I believe that in the next 24 hours, we're gonna have a big move here. But before that, I'm gonna show you here this daily chart really quick. And then we get to the other part. So here on the daily chart, also we are at resistance right now of that falling wedge pattern here. And yeah, it could turn ugly if we start moving down, but there is not much room to go down here. Most likely it will only go to $29,200, and that will be, in my opinion, just another fake out to the downside to trap shorts. And then we will continue to go here higher. Even if we go here tomorrow, after tomorrow, yeah, let's say by next week Friday, we would come down, touch this upward sloping support line. There definitely we also would see a bounce from there back to the upside. So I'm not really concerned here about too much downside for Bitcoin. There's also not a lot of news that could come out, or announcement that could come out that would any change of the direction of the price, in my opinion, right now. So, and one reason for that also is here on the BLX chart, on the Brave New Coin, on the index chart of Bitcoin, the volatility. So every time when the Bollinger Bands are contracting, like here and here and here, and now again here, huge volatility came into the market, and every single time Bitcoin had a run to the upside. Every single time in Bitcoin history for the last 10 years. And we are again at one of these points. And another indication that we, when the volatility comes back into the market, that it will go to the upside is the fact that we are above the middle band of the Bollinger Band here on the 3-week chart. And then, of course, when we look at the volatility index on the Bollinger Bands, then also we see that we are at the lowest point in the last 3 years when it comes to volatility. So when you look here at this line, here is like the bottom of that line. That was the lowest point 3 years ago. Yeah, almost to the day 3 years ago. And now we're a little bit higher than that, but not much. So you see the difference. So that is the lowest that we have ever been when it comes to volatility in the last 3 years for Bitcoin. And that once we get volatility back, I can tell you that will be an explosive move, a lot of fireworks. And if history rhymes and is not repeating itself completely like in the past, only it's enough if it rhymes, we're gonna see a big move here to the upside in the next coming days, potentially already tonight, from what I'm seeing in the charts. So now, when we're going here back to the 1 hourly chart, I wanted to look, also something that I want to point out is that we have a bullish divergence here on the 4 hourly chart that has not played out yet. The price is gradually going lower and the RSI is gradually going higher, and that is a bullish divergence that still needs to play out. So yes, we can get another touch on the bottom of it at $29,300, but then most likely we're gonna see the bullish divergence playing out and price action returning back to the upside. And that is the main indicator for me that by today at some point, potentially in the night, we're gonna see a move to the upside in Bitcoin, and that could coincide with a move once the market is opening. The other reason why I'm saying this is that we saw on Friday again here, all the way back here potentially shorts getting trapped. So, and yeah, they have to get liquidated while the market was pushed sideways. So there has to be a move to the upside to liquidate everybody that tried to go short here. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video, guys. I hope that was insightful through my thought process. So I definitely gonna trade the incoming volatility tonight. And yeah, don't forget, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you then again, hopefully, and a lot of profits tomorrow.